the crypto exchange secret that saved me thousands in trading fees last year. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in the description below to get your special discount. Trust me, your wallet will thank you later. So here's the thing about crypto trading that nobody talks about enough. Those tiny fees, they're not so tiny when you add them up. I was paying anywhere from 0.5% to 1% per trade on my old exchange. Doesn't sound like much, right? Wrong. On a $10,000 trade, that's $50 to $100 just vanishing into thin air. Do that a few times a week and suddenly you're looking at thousands per year. Then I discovered Kraken. Now, Kraken's been around since 2011, so they're not some sketchy startup. We're talking about a platform with over 267 billion in annual trading volume. Their regular fees are already lower, ranging from 0% to 0.4% depending on your volume. But here's where it gets interesting. With a referral code, you get an additional discount on those already low fees. It's like getting a discount on a discount. Here's how it works. You sign up through a referral link, complete your verification, and boom, you're automatically enrolled in their fee reduction program. The more you trade, the lower your fees get. And unlike some exchanges that make you jump through hoops, Kraken's system is straightforward. No hidden catches, no fine print surprises. Plus, you're getting access to over 400 cryptocurrencies, advanced trading tools, and rock-solid security. It's basically everything you need in one place. So don't keep throwing money away on unnecessary fees. Click that link in the description, grab your referral discount, and start keeping more of your profits where they belong, in your pocket.